Is it time to buy or sell KULR Technology Group stock? In this video, we will explore KULR Technology Group in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 16th of June, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 16th of May, 2025, our system has categorized KULR Technology Group as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -8.05. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of nearly 30%. This amounts to an average daily loss of approximately 1.43% since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, which often presents a compelling buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at 86 cents is breached, it will initially signal a more pronounced decline. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential change of -19.36% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between -22.30% and +33.60%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 42.88%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 42.88% and 789.27% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would mean a future price estimate lying between $1.28 and $7.97. Our latest daily update for KULR Technology Group includes the headline, High Volatility in KULR Technology Group Inc. stock price on Monday, which ended trading at 90 cents. The KULR Technology Group Inc. stock price fell by 22.03% on the last day, which was Monday, the 16th of June, 2025, from $1.15 to 90 cents. This marks 3 consecutive days of decline. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 27.49%, reaching a low of 78 cents and a high of 99 cents. The price has been experiencing significant swings during this period, resulting in a loss of 20.65% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day by 81 million shares, despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating that the risk could slightly increase in the coming days. In total, 90 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $80,085,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $5.49, while the lowest was 20 cents. Currently, the price is 83.67%, or $4.59, below the 52-week high of $5.49, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. KULR Technology Group is experiencing a notable downturn, with shares dropping over 21% in today's trading session. This significant selling pressure follows the company's announcement of a 1-for-8 reverse stock split, set to take effect on June 23rd, as part of a broader strategy to improve its market positioning. While reverse splits can sometimes enhance the perception of a stock's price, they often raise concerns among investors regarding the motivations behind such a move. Compounding the situation, KULR's recent performance has been disappointing, stemming from first-quarter earnings that fell short of expectations for both revenue and profits. The company has also been engaged in aggressive share sales to fund Bitcoin acquisitions. Despite increasing its Bitcoin holdings to 800.3 BTC, indicating its ongoing commitment to this volatile asset, recent market reactions have not been favorable. Furthermore, KULR is set to join the Russell 3000 index after the market opens on June 30th, a development that could attract institutional investments in the long term. Currently, approximately 21% of the stock is held by institutional investors, reflecting some level of market confidence. However, the immediate impacts are likely to remain negative due to the drastic decline today and the announcement of the reverse split. In the short term, investor sentiment is expected to stay bearish, which may lead to further price volatility. but long-term effects will depend on KULR's ability to recover from these challenges, manage its operations effectively, and justify its market valuation relative to competitors in the sustainable energy management sector. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned KULR a buy rating, accompanied by an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned KULR Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of strong sell. The following signals have been identified for KULR Technology Group. Furthermore, there's a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which could influence the near short-term development. The stock of KULR Technology Group Incorporated currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there's a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be some resistance from the lines at $1.16 and $1.26. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, and as of now, the stock has declined by 44.31%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 23 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 58 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 67 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for KULR Technology Group. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under the right conditions, this stock may experience significant declines in the upcoming days. The stock typically shows average daily movements, and with sufficient trading volume, the risk is assessed as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 214 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, equating to a change of 27.49%. In the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 10.93%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for KULR Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 11th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 20 cents. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for KULR Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for KULR Technology Group is at $1.10. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a strategic level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume beneath this level, indicating that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain circumstances. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for KULR Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 23rd of May, 2025, Mo Michael executed an insider sale of 92,448 shares of common stock. On the 31st of March, 2025, Cantor Sean executed an insider sale of 99,857 shares of common stock. On the 16th of January, 2025, Carpenter Michael Gerald executed an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the 16th of January, 2025, Mo Michael executed an insider purchase of 2 million shares of common stock. On the 16th of January, 2025, Mo Michael executed an insider purchase of 270,000 shares of Series A preferred stock. Based on the 70 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of approximately 61.964. Overall, insiders purchased 21,844,801 shares and sold 9,420,584 shares in the last 70 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is KULR Technology Group stock a good investment? KULR Technology Group Inc. shows several negative indicators and is currently in a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 17th of June, we predict KULR Technology Group will open lower by a fraction of a cent and begin trading at 89 cents. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.